we guide you through how to use Tap to Cash on iPhone iOS 18. So, the first thing you need to do is to make sure phone is updated to iOS 18 and the Apple Cash is set up in your wallet. Open Settings, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, then turn on Apple Cash and complete the verification if prompted. Next, open the Wallet app and select Apple Cash, then tap Tap to Cash. When prompted, hold your iPhone near the other person's iPhone, making sure both devices have NFC and Apple Cash enabled. Enter the amount you want to send, review the details, then confirm using Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Keep phones close together until you see the confirmation checkmark on the screen. The money will instantly transfer to the recipient's Apple Cash balance. If it doesn't work, check that both devices have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC enabled and that you're signed in with your Apple ID.